Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. I'm going to cook soya chunks biryani today. To this I'm going to serve carrot raita along with this. It's a delicious and healthy food. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to Nageshwari's kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. I got 2 cups of rice. So in this cup, 2 cups of rice, I washed it completely and I'm going to soak this. I soaked this soya chunks 30 minutes before with the normal cold water. So I'm going to squeeze out the water and I'm going to do some marination. So the marination will give you juicy soya chunks when you have it with your biryani. Let's marinate this. So what we are going to do, squeeze out not too much, just a little bit like this, and then take out the chunks. Let's marinate this soya chunks. Some salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, yogurt 2 tablespoons, mix everything together. So I mixed it well. Keep this aside. Let's prepare the biryani. Don't skip this method. I'm preparing the onion carrot raita. Take a bowl, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped. So add some carrots. I used 2 carrots today. Add some salt. Add yogurt. This is as per your taste. I'm adding around 2 cups of yogurt. Add around half a teaspoon of cumin powder. It will give you nice taste to your raita. Mix everything together. I added around 1/4 cup of water because my yogurt is really thick, so I added some water. Now the side dish is ready. Let's start the main dish. Take a pan, add around 3 tablespoons of oil. To this oil I am adding half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 cardamom, 4 cloves, 1 small piece of cinnamon and 1 star. Three bay leaves. All the spices are roasted well. To this add 1 onion sliced. To this add some salt. Cook this onion till this turns to a golden color. This is very important step for every biryani. The onion has to cook properly. Onion is cooked. To this add 5 green chilies. Add around 1 handful of mint leaves, 1 handful of coriander leaves. Mix together. The aroma is really good when you cook the mint in the oil. To this add 2 tomatoes, 2 sliced tomatoes. The tomatoes has to cook till the mashed consistency. Add around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Tomatoes are cooked nicely. So garam masala video I'm using garam masala to this recipe. I have already posted garam masala recipe video in my channel. I will give you the link in my comment section below. You can refer that and follow the recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now let's add the marinated soya chunks. Cover this and cook for 5 minutes, then we will add hot water. So make sure you have some hot water, so it will easy your process of making biryani. Let's check. You can have this with chapati. It will taste really good. But today I'm preparing biryani, so it's not enough moisture here. So I'm going to add 4 cups of water. I took 2 cups of rice. If you have too much of water in this masala, you can reduce the water amount, but it's not much. So I'm adding 4 cups of hot water. Squeeze in half a lemon juice. This is medium size lemon. Check the salt consistency. It should be a little bit salty. Remove all the water. Add the rice here. Mix it gently, otherwise the rice will break. Make sure the flame is in high. So when you see the rice is coming on top, that's the time to mix. See you can see only less water. Mix it gently. To this add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Keep the flame on low, the lowest possible. The air should not escape. At the bottom, keep one flat pan. Still the flame is on. It's on low flame. So you have to arrange it like this and keep this for 20 minutes on low flame. Do not disturb. Just leave it as it is and it will cook nicely. You will get a nice, tasty, healthy soya chunks pulao will be ready in 20 minutes. Let's check. வாசனை சூப்பரா இருக்கு. Look at the grains. The yummy, healthy, delicious soya chunks biryani is ready to serve. The taste is outstanding with raita. The spicy level, everything is perfect. The rice grains are cooked very well. Try this recipe at home. I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you on another video. Bye.